Found some sketchy stuff lurking down in that oil pan. Today, we're diving into the world of engine disassembly to hunt down exactly what's causing this rod knot. Now, before we get all Sherlock Holmes on this engine, let's recap what rod knock is. So rod knock essentially is a knocking sound that comes from the rod bearings. It can be a special case here and there where the main bearings could be causing the issue, and the crank journals that the rods ride on could also cause issues. If they're out of spec, it's going to eat up the bearings. You replace the bearing, it happens again, you'll basically pinpoint your issue pretty quickly if that's the case.